for further perspective, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Johnson Usman, joins me on the news. Good to have you join us on TVC News at 10. From our correspondent report that Celestine area, it's clear that there is no infraction on Justice Kekere-Ekun's recommendation. However, can you elucidate more, especially for the ethnic bigots, about the process of recommending a CJN?
Thank you for having me this night. Just like Celestina said just now, there have never been an upset in the process of selecting or recommending the Chief Justice of Nigeria, because the Constitution has laid down the procedure to be adopted and to be followed. That when the Chief Justice of Nigeria is retiring, the next in line automatically steps in. And if for any reason, if there is any constitutional impediment, the second in command cannot step in, the third in command will step in. And because the Constitution has laid down how the appointment should be done, it has never been of any problem. It has never caused any crisis. So there has always been a smooth sailing, smooth succession to the office of the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Thus, I can confidently say that the nomination and the recommendation of Honorable Justice Kekere-Ekun by the NJC did not come as a surprise. Rather, it came with a constitutional compliance. And the appointment is coming at the time that she is most needed. Because for most of us and many of the legal pundits know Justice Kekere-Ekun to be a very firm jurist, a jurist of impeccable character, sound mind, quality mind, good legal mind, and she's known to be very thorough. And in that case, with the challenges facing the Nigerian judiciary, it is believed and expected that she will deliver us. And to whom much is given, much is expected. Much is given to her because much has been anticipated from her, being a very firm, erudite jurist.
All right.
So, I mean, at this time is the time that someone like Justice Kekere-Ekun is needed for the Nigerian judiciary.
All right, Mr. Usman. Now we have another woman at the helm of affairs, if this goes through, and it's coming 10 years after the first female CJN retirement. Let's speak to the issue of gender parity, and I know already you're talking about the person of Justice Kekere-Ekun. What should we expect?
Well, the coming of Justice Kekere-Ekun a decade after Justice Aloma Mutar, I think is just a coincidence. And by reason of the appointment of the Justice of the Supreme Court, the burden has fell on her at this particular time. So the fact that it's coming 10 years after the first female Chief Justice of Nigeria is a mere coincidence. But like I said, the challenges facing Nigerian judiciary are enormous. The confidence in Nigerian judiciary has come to its very low ebb. And at this point that she is coming in, she is expected to bring it up to the international standard. Because when there is no confidence, it is said that justice is rooted in confidence. So when there is no confidence, there is no justice, no matter the justice dispensed. So the first thing she must do, and we expect her to do, is to bring back that confidence to the litigant. That as we are approaching the courts, we are confident that we will have justice. And where a litigant is confident that you have justice, and justice is served in his case, then you can be rest assured that the judiciary will be on the right path. But where the litigants lose confidence in the judicial system, particularly in election matter, where the winner of the election Someone who is declared as a winner really did not win and knows that he did not win, but got in by hook or crook, and his declaration is endorsed by the judiciary, we will come to realize that there is no confidence in judiciary. And that is exactly what is trending today. So we implore and urge my Lord Honorable Justice Kekere Ekun, the incoming Chief Justice of Nigeria, to bring back the confidence to the Nigerian judicial system so that the litigant can approach the courts beating their chest that we will have justice according to law.
All right, Mr. Usman. Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Johnson Usman, thank you for talking to us on TVC News at 10.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for having me.
Away from that, there's been an improvement in crude oil production, and that's in the wake of renewed efforts of security agencies to curb crude oil theft.